It needs to have airflow.
So you got this heat shield on it. Yeah, I do have headers in there. I mean, you know. So this thing, everything was worn out. I'm so happy because I had all my grounds on it, all new grounds, and it still wouldn't do it. Further proof that what you do is everything.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? There's no real updated. I mean, there's no real high performance stuff or anything like that you can do to this thing.
There's a company that you might be able to get a high performance.
What would it be? I mean, would it be like a reduction starter? Well, but in what did you say? 2 times, 3 times the price? Really? That much? You think it's that much better?
Well,
Really?
it's made for high compression engines.
Well, let's see it. Since you don't have anything else over here to do or nothing else to work on here on the table, right? You don't mind if I record this, do you? Goes on my thing. So ranches, that's Nelson. That's my guru right there. He told me all this stuff. One of our alternators, self-exciting, everything. This is the guy that did it with me, helped me over the years over at Co-op. And this starter was the last part in updating, I said the ground system, but what it does, it updates everything in the high current system. Everything in the high current system. And why not? Because it's 50 years old. So yeah, so Nelson's been here several years, many years. This is the kind of starter alternator shop that you just don't see anymore. He's got everything. Nelson supplies most of the guys in town. Over the guys that I was buying parts from over at Agner, they use Nelson. Finally, I bought so much stuff. He said, "Listen, man, why don't you go over there and talk to Nelson? It's the greatest thing ever happened." So anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah, $475 for one of those things. Well, if I get some donations, guys, hey, donations, maybe I can do that. We had talked about the alternator. Don't worry about that now.
Okay.
You say Saturday morning's the slowest time for you?
Yeah, I mean it's all
nuts. This place, man, I tell you what, I've never seen you slow. I'm telling you, you got to be thinking about it. What are you going to be doing in 10 years, man?
same thing.
Yeah, I know you are. I'm impressed. Thank you for being you.
Oh, that's no problem.
I tell you what. So what do we got here? How much is this?
101.20 is the grade.
All right, guys, that's cheap for twice. You know what I'm saying? All that stuff. Well, look, I'm going to hang up. See ya.